Hi guys, it's me Caitlin and we're back, and today we're going to be making like a banana chocolate smoothie. So here are our ingredients. We'll be needing this almond milk we use. You can still use regular milk. We're going to be needing a banana, some Reese's chocolate peanut butter ice cream, Nutella, and a cup for when you're done, and a blender. And a spoon. And you also need ice. So first we're putting some of our ingredients in the blender. There's no like first, second, third because they're all going to be combined at the end. So first we're just going to put the banana in first. Some of the Nutella. We're not going to put like a lot because we also have the ice cream. Put in the ice cream. We're just going to put in a couple of scoops. That's enough. And then let's put the milk in. We're just going to put like a couple. The more ice you put in, the more cooler it gets, and that's good for like hot sun days. And it makes it more thicker. So if you leave the ice out, it'll be like warm. And it also could be like watery, like it's like really liquidy, not as thick. Lid on all the way so it doesn't spill out. Okay, now we're just going to turn it on. The final product, and Connor's here. We're both gonna try it. That's good.
Yummy.
Please like and subscribe this video right there. And please hit the bell notifications when you subscribe so you can be the first one to see our videos. And bye.